Summer heat and tractor performance. Temecula, California. As the summer heat continues to beat down on Temecula, California, it's crucial for tractor owners to understand how high temperatures can impact their machinery. Proper maintenance and timely precautions can ensure that your tractor continues to perform optimally, even during the hottest months. In this video, we'll explore the effects of summer heat on tractors and provide practical tips to keep your equipment running smoothly. Understanding the impact of summer heat on tractors. Heat and machinery. High temperatures can significantly affect various components of your tractor. Metal parts expand, fluids can evaporate or degrade faster, and overall, the tractor can struggle more to operate efficiently. Common issues. During summer, tractors commonly face overheating. Engines can overheat, causing potential damage. Tire pressure fluctuations. Heat causes air inside tires to expand, leading to overinflation. Battery issues. High temperatures can reduce battery life. Cooling system failures. Increased demand on the cooling system can lead to failures. Preventive maintenance tips for summer. Regular checkups. Regular maintenance is essential to keep your tractor in good shape. Scheduled checkups can identify and mitigate issues before they become serious. Cooling system maintenance. Check coolant levels. Ensure the coolant is at the appropriate level and mixed correctly. Inspect radiator and hoses. Look for any signs of wear or leaks. Clean radiator fins. Remove any debris that could obstruct airflow. Engine care. Monitor oil levels. Check and change the oil regularly, using high-quality oil suited for high temperatures. Use high-quality engine oil. This helps the engine run smoothly and efficiently in hot conditions. Some examples include Shell Rotella T6 Full Synthetic Heavy-Duty Engine Oil, Mobil Delvac 1 ESP Synthetic Motor Oil, John Deere Plus 52 Premium Engine O, and Castrol Vectin Long Drain 10W40 E69 Full Synthetic Diesel Engine Oil. Be sure to check the manual for the proper specs of oil to use in your tractor. Tire maintenance. Check tire pressure frequently. Maintain the correct tire pressure to avoid blowouts. Inspect for wear and tear. Regularly inspect tires for any signs of damage. Battery care. Keep the battery clean. Ensure the terminals are tight and free from corrosion. Check for corrosion. Clean any corrosion promptly to maintain battery health. Best practices for operating tractors in high heat. Timing. Operate tractors during cooler parts of the day, such as early morning or late afternoon, to avoid the extreme midday heat. Shade and ventilation. Use sunshades or canopies to protect the operator and ensure proper ventilation within the tractor to keep the internal components cool. Avoid overloading. Overworking the tractor in extreme heat can cause it to overheat. Be mindful of the load you're placing on your equipment. Regular breaks. Allow your tractor to cool down by taking regular breaks, especially during long periods of use. Emergency tips for overheating tractors. Immediate actions. If your tractor begins to overheat, turn off the engine immediately. Check coolant levels and refill if necessary. Allow the engine to cool before resuming work. Emergency supplies. Keep the following supplies on hand. Extra coolant. Water. Toolkit. Local resources in Temecula, California. For professional help, here's the top tractor repair service in Temecula. Tractor Repair San Diego, Temecula. This 5-star Google-rated mobile tractor repair service is known for high-quality, quick, and reliable service. Now based in Temecula, California, they continue to service Temecula area, including Murrieta, Hemet, Paris, Lake Elsinore, Pala, Rainbow, Winchester, and more, as well as San Diego County, San Diego, Fallbrook, Vista, Poway, Ramona, and more. Tractor Repair San Diego Temecula had decades of experience and specializes in a wide range of agricultural machinery repairs. If you need expert assistance, call Tractor Repair San Diego Temecula today at 760-271-201-609. 760-201-1609 TractorRepairSanDiego.com Temecula. 760-201-1609 TractorRepairSanDiego.com Temecula. Remember, 760-201-1609 TractorRepairSanDiego.com Temecula.